Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about total QTD DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, this is total QTD DAX function syntax. Total QTD add expression and next add dates and next add filters. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, I am already imported some data and next go to report view and click new measure. Now I am typing total MTD, total QTD. See this here, once you read this, evaluates the specified expression over the interval which begins on the first day of the quarter and ends with the last date in the specified dates column after applying specified filters. Okay. Now I am adding some of sales. Okay, close this parenthesis, comma. Next filters. Next to add a date column and next go to filters and add table name and comma next to expression. Next go to I am selecting countries and zip code and next I am typing Canada. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, now I am selecting new card and next I am selecting measure. See this here, 7.3 millions. Okay, let's check this function. Now I am selecting slicer and next select the date, select the list and go to format and next selection controls, click off and next select slicer, next select countries and next select the card and next select sales. Okay, let's check this last quarter. It means last quarter, it means last 3 months. Okay, next I am selecting Canada. See this here, 7.13 million. This is last month. Okay, and next one I want to show last 40 day France. Okay, see this here, next typing France. Okay, see this here, 6.89 million. Let's check this function. See this here, select to France. See this here, 6.89 million. Okay, this is called total QTD DAX function in Power BI Desktop.